Here I am at 2 a.m. again, playing with my circuits. And these are flex sensors. They increase resistance with bending. So if we look at what they're putting out when they're not bending, let's load that in to the program. And what we're reading on each of these pins is going to be voltage. And as we bend the resistor, I'll bend this one first. Watch the one that says left. And see how it's starting to go down because I'm increasing the resistance when I bend the sensor. You see where it's bent? And then we can do the same thing to the right one. Watch it go down. Oops. There we go. See? Go down. And that's because I'm bending it and I accidentally pulled it out, so we're reading 0 now. The coding for this is pretty easy. Let me get this stuff off the screen. We're just reading the voltage out of this pin and printing it to the terminal. And the same for the right side. Voltage to the pin, from the pin, and writing it to the terminal. So that's pretty easy code. And there's a lot of different things you can do with this. Like make a LED go brighter or less, or you can even use them like whiskers for a bump style robot and things like that. Some people can even use them to run servos. I'm going to come up with some programs like that for it. And here's sort of what the circuit looks like. You can see it's very simple wiring. And I'll put the schematic up with it. There we go. Another project.